Hi guys, weekly 420, simplified version of sharing happiness.
News to you. April 20th, 2020. Sharing happiness. People are staying home more now. They are helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus.
So people are staying at home to hopefully prevent the coronavirus from spreading more.
People may feel sad or scared. Some people are sharing happiness in neighborhoods. They are helping others feel better.
So in neighborhoods, much like the ones you live in and the ones I live in, people are trying to spread cheer and brighten other people's days.
People are putting lights onto their homes. Others see the lights. The lights can help others feel better. People are putting teddy bears into their windows. Others see the teddy bears. The teddy bears can help others feel better.
And so it's kind of like a scavenger hunt where people put teddy bears in the windows so you can find them and count how many you can find. We have a rainbow fruit salad. If you guys have the ingredients to do this, please do it and let us know if you liked it. Make sure you log in to the PowerPoint and do your work. Have a great day.